It doesn't matter what trends are popular today. Facial hair will always represent that masculine personal that guys want and women adore. This is often said that genetic has the last word when it comes to beard growth. That's why some men develop a luxurious thick beard while others struggle with a patchy beard or no beard at all. The truth is that the hormones responsible for beard growth are testosterone and dihydrotestosterone (DHT). While testosterone is responsible for hair follicle priming, DHT promotes the linear growth of facial hair. Simple logic implies that men with higher level of testosterone and DHT can grow significantly more beard than men with lower levels of these hormones. Then, how to increase testosterone and beard growth? Step 1. Enhance the growth of facial hair. To start improving the growth of your beard, start by changing your diet. It really is that simple. Eat healthy food that boosts the growth of facial hairs. Although many organizations like Center for Disease Control and Prevention do recommend 50 plus grams of protein each day, this only need be around 25% of your daily caloric intake. Anything more than that can create the opposite effect, which is the decline in testosterone levels. Supplement your diet with broccoli, walnuts, fish, carrots, and citrus. They help to support healthy facial growth faster. Step 2. Increasing testosterone levels. An opportunity to improve the look of your beard doing something you probably already enjoy. Increase your workouts by spending more times at the gym or running an extra mile a day will have a direct impact on the health of your facial hair. Bench presses, deadlifts, squats, and rows all targets exercises routine that boost your testosterone levels sharply. One study has shown that testosterone levels can increase after only 15 minutes of exercising. Sometimes it takes up to an hour, but the point is that there won't be result unless you commit it to regularity. Step 3. Moisturize your beard. Make it a point each morning and night to massage your face with moisturizer to help keep the skin around your beard healthy. The moisturizer will help relieve the irritated skin, making it more soft and smooth. If you have dry skin under your beard, apply moisturizers more frequently to eliminate itching and discomfort. Step 4. Protecting your skin. When you exercise more regularly, you increase testosterone and beard growth, but you also increase sweating and skin irritation. To eliminate this problem, use beard wash in the shower each day. This will not only keep your facial hair healthy, it will also stimulate continued hair growth. While you are in the shower, apply a product to the beard, then leave it in until your shower is complete and rinse out. If your beard is especially long, follow up with a conditioner each day to help keep your facial hair soft. So guys, remember this. Improving your diet, exercising more, applying a product to the skin each day will help you regulate and grow your beard faster, dude. So apply these simple steps in your day-to-day routine to help grow your beards faster, man. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and stay connected with me. Thank you.